The offshore renewable energy sector is set to become one of Scotland and Fife's major growth areas in the next decade. Fife is perfectly located on the east coast of central Scotland, close to offshore wind developments in the Firth of Forth and the North Sea. The region is in close proximity to the major ports of Leith and Dundee. Situated on the Firth of Forth, Fife has a range of quayside infrastructure that can support the renewable sector. Rosyth is based on the former naval dockyard. The waterfront area is an ideal multimodal transport and engineering hub and Scotland's gateway to Europe. The Babcock Group offer considerable engineering expertise and facilities. With excellent access from the sea, the site features a non-tidal basin and extensive berthing, with a depth of 10 metres. To the rear of the port sits Whitlock Energy Centre, part of Carnegie College, and an education, research and training facility dedicated to growing and supporting the renewable energy sector. Forth Ports plc operate the main port of Rosyth, with excellent berthing and supporting facilities, and occupy a freight ferry service to mainland Europe at Zeebrugge. Oceaneering Umbilical Solutions are manufacturers of subsea power cables supplying offshore markets. Forth Energy is proposing to locate a 130 megawatt biomass facility which will have excess thermal heat opportunity. To the east of the port are a range of development sites from 2 to 60 acres, owned by Scarborough Muir Group. 2 miles north of Rosyth waterfront, adjacent to the M90, is the 150-acre Shepherd offshore site. This site offers considerable opportunities for supporting supply chain activities and features 70,000 square feet of quality office accommodation. Inverkeithing Bay is ideally positioned only 1 mile from the Forth Road Bridge. There are a range of development opportunities around the Inverkeithing Bay area, including the 18.9-acre former Caldwell Mill site. RM Recycling Limited, one of Scotland's largest independent scrap metal handlers and exporters, is housed in Inverkeithing. Towards the mouth of Inverkeithing Bay sits Tarmac Limited. With direct coastal access, Tarmac is a hard rock aggregate quarrying firm and provider of scour for offshore wind farms. On the opposite side of the bay sits Forthbridge Stevedoring Limited, a private port facility specialising in stevedoring, cargo facilities and berthing. The port at Burnt Island is owned and operated by Forth Ports plc. The West Dock is situated between Bifab and Briggs Marine. Bifab fabricates structures for the offshore oil, gas and renewable sectors. The East Dock features extensive quay and development potential. Briggs Marine provide a range of services applicable to offshore wind, wave and tidal developments for both installation and maintenance. Located on the Methil waterfront, Energy Park Fife is a leading manufacturing centre and joint venture between Scottish Enterprise and Fife Council. Samsung Heavy Industries have recently announced plans to test a 7 megawatt offshore wind turbine in Methil. Already home to Bifab, this site will see a new Bifab development commence from 2013. Adjacent to Bifab is the Port of Methil, owned and operated by Forth Ports plc. Here there are 2 operational docks and further development opportunities. To the east is Methil Docks Business Park, featuring existing business facilities and new build options. The hydrogen office is situated within the business park. It is a state-of-the-art demonstration and research facility. New development Fife Renewables Innovation Centre is located beside the hydrogen office. The centre offers 2,000 square metres of high-quality innovation space. Plans are now being developed for additional inland sites. These new sites will support activity on the quayside. Energy Park Fife and other Fife ports will play a prominent role in supporting Fife and Scotland's East Coast renewable industry.